Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 242 Lyman Meadows in Hinesburg. We're here to view this fantastic townhome. Let's go ahead and just take a look around here. And as you can see, they've got a really nice area, very well landscaped, mature landscaping throughout. All the places are well maintained. Each unit has 2 parking spaces outside designated. You also have a garden space as well. Literally around the corner, you've got the school, you've got Lantman's around the corner for a grocery store. Very close to getting on to 89. Just gonna give you a nice little overview of the area here. If you like the garden, they have a garden space for people. Just gonna go around to the back side here, show you some of the common area. Really a nice space. You've got some walking trails that are close by as well. Of course, if you want to go to the lake, very close as well. As you can see on the back side here, this is the actual garden space that is for use for all the residents. You come along to the side. What you're going to see here is you have a nice little private deck on the back area. Off to your right, you've got 2 doors. You've got utilities in there as well. So now that we've seen a little bit of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the townhome. So what I like about this is the great open floor plan they've created here. Really a nice job if you want to entertain or just the general flow. As you can see here, we've got plenty of counter space and cabinet space. All the appliances. And again, I love too where you have kind of a distinct dining room area, and then you have that step down that goes into the living room. This is nice too because you've got a pantry here that gives you plenty of space. And then over here, you've got your half bath. So that's always a nice feature. Always makes it very easy for guests to come over. And of course you have your living room area. And again, I love the open floor plan on this. Of course, those windows really make it nice and sunny and bright in here. Nice, easy, free laminate flooring. I like the slate entryway when you first come in. Now let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. You've got 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath. Here's the first bedroom. And again, lots of light in here. The other feature too I like is that you've got 2 closets here. Let me go ahead and show you. There's your first closet. And then same thing for the second closet. Okay, so now washer and dryer on your left. So that's nice having everything all in one spot. Makes it really convenient. Now, of course, you've got the full bathroom here. And here we have the other bedroom. And again, I always love all the natural lighting that comes in here. What's nice here too is you got a walk-in closet here. And the same thing over here too. So 2 pretty big closets. Okay, so this is 242 Lyman Meadows, unit number T2. If you have any questions, give me a call. You can reach me here at 802-825-1353, or you can go to our website at catamountrealtygroup.com. There you're going to find the Matterport 3D, the drone video, and plenty of information. I look forward to hearing from you.